Page 31, We Wish You a Merry Christmas. 3/4 time. It's got one sharp, so it's either in G major or E minor. Let's look at the last measure. It's here. It's a G major chord. I'm guessing this is in G major. One hand at a time here. We're coming in on beat 3 because there's a pickup beat. So it's 3, 1 and 2 and 3, and watch the fingering. Now in these, look at the measure there on the first line with the 3 E's in it. You're playing the first 2 with second finger and then thumb, but there's also a phrase break here. So we want a little more silence between the last 2 E's. So it's here. So just a hair more silence so you can tell that, oh, it's a new phrase. Bring the thumb down and again lift up between these phrases. And lift up. They're saying thumb again. What's between phrases you can do that. Third line. These should not be a problem, I'm hoping. Just make sure you lift up between each of the phrases, and then the last note of the third line lift up is third finger. Wrist, so forth. The left hand, for the most part, keep the left hand soft. There's a BG, and then a 4-1 for the next one, and then a 5-1 for the C sharp A, and then a 4-1 again, and then come up. And then it's a thumb. I don't see a lot going on in the left hand. The only tricky thing to it, in my opinion, is the last line, because you've been soft throughout the whole thing. The melody's in the right hand, but in the second measure, that D, that's melody. You got to play that the same loudness as what you've been playing the right hand, just for that one note. And then you go back to being soft again. And you try, again, we want to hear the melody. Keep the left hand soft. Now, here we have a problem. This is the second line, first measure. Going into the second measure. I can't connect these notes. I want to connect them. I can't connect them because that D is used by the left hand in the chord. So make that break as short as possible, but it's the arrangements is what they've done. Now what I typically do, and this, you learn it the way it's written first, and then after that on arrangements you can rearrange it. And what I do on this kind of thing is I'll tie that D over. I'll play it with the left hand, I'll hang on to it, and I'll just add the next beat notes to it. That way I can connect it. That's connected. But after you learn it, right now it's this way. I don't see a problem with the rest of this. Now in the last line, you're here. That's all legato. Connect that. And then lift up for the phrase. This gives you a chance to get your hands situated. This is a spirited piece. This is a happy piece. This is a goodwill piece. Piece. It's not a really fast piece, but it's a spirit. I mean, it's a, in my opinion, a drinking piece. Yeah. Let's go slow and go over it together. Just play with it together to make sure you have the right notes. You need to be playing the same notes I'm playing at the same time I'm playing them. That's what this is for. And we come in on beat 3, so I'm just going to give us 2 counts. So your hands go here to start. Ready, go.